Hey guys, what's up? Rendusen here. Today we got some air compressor motor to scrap. This is a motor from my old compressor, and unfortunately they passed away before 2 years. In the meantime, is left in some junk behind the house, and today I decide to scrap that for a copper because see that it's very nice amount of copper inside probably. So it still turn around, see that, but they'll probably cost more money to repair that than just scrap that and buy some other air compressor. So okay, let's see. This is be a motor from a 50-liter air compressor. So let's see how many copper and aluminium and metal we can get from this air compressor motor. Okay. Okay guys, we almost finished this video about scrap air compressor motor, and this is aluminium which I harvest from it, and unfortunately I got this little piece here, but because it's very hard to remove it and I smashed it with a hammer. So this is some decent amount of aluminium, and here we got very decent amount of scrap steel, scrap iron. Aluminium here on the junkyard is about $1 per kilogram right now, and scrap steel and scrap iron is about 9 cents per kilogram. I got some screws here. Screws go into my screws bucket. Sometime I reuse that, and I got some little cable, copper cable, but unfortunately this is not copper. This stuff, this wire inside the motor, remove from this, it's actually freaking aluminium. Very bad, disappointing. You see that? Everything is aluminium, not copper wire. If this is a copper wire, I would probably got maybe about 2 pounds, about 1 kilogram copper wire, but for this it's just aluminium, nothing else. Bad luck. Yep. Hey guys, what's up? Dushan here. Today I got one motor to scrap. This is an old homemade machine for cutting grass, and this motor is dead. So repair for this motor will cost about maybe 30 bucks, but I can find another motor on the flea market for 20-25 bucks. Okay, so this motor go to scrap, and I already opened this upper part just to check, and I find inside that all that copper spool will burn. So for now, go to the junkyard. In the part, of course, we will separate metal scrap from copper and other stuff. There is no too much aluminium. I think this is aluminium, but everything it's steel and copper inside. Okay, so let's start. Okay guys, we finish our grass trimmer motor, and this time it's much better than this motor from the air compressor. So for the first, we got a lot of scrap steel. We got some little aluminium here and here, but it's be too much effort to remove that, so they will go, so everything go in the scrap metal. And here also I got some aluminium, but inside everything is steel, this part, and I need to cut that, and too much work, so everything this go to scrap steel. Here I got some screws, again in my screws bucket, some little aluminium, and most important, this time in this motor, this is everything copper wire, so excellent. Sometimes you got luck, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you will get aluminium wire inside the motor, but mostly that will be a copper wire, like in this case. Very nice copper wire here, see that? And much more than in that air compressor motor. So right now I will put that on the scale just to see how much copper in this motor, okay? So once again, a lot of copper wire, some aluminium, some scrap steels, and that is it, okay? Let's put that on the scale. Okay, so I put all that wire in the bag. Our scale is on, and let's see how much we got. It's a 1 kilogram and 402 gram. So 1 kilogram and 400 gram. Not bad at all. Very good amount of copper wire in this little motor. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video. And in this video I show you that some motor contain copper wire and some motor contain aluminium wire, unfortunately. So if you like this video, share, comment and subscribe to my channel please, and see you around guys to the next video. Out.